students, as you're watching me, you're welcome in this class. In this class, my motive is always to improve your speaking skills as well as writing skills in English language. So today, I'm going to teach you 25 total new latest words that you can use in your speaking as well as in writing. But today, I'm going to teach you only 5. These words are very important or a good part of your writing skills. Let's take writing useful vocabulary. The first word, often we use it important. Even sometimes we fed up with this that using important. But I'm going to give you the same word, similar word. First is imperative, indispensable or significant. If you want to say that library is important, no, you will speak library is imperative part of the students. Suppose in speaking, often in writing we write down very important. If you are using very important, please use this word pivotal or vital. This is very important. This is only important. This is very important. In the same way, second word, many, various, numerous, countless. Example, there are many problems in India. There are various problems. There are numerous problems. There are countless. In the same way, third word, that is advantages. For the advantages, you can use benefits, you can use merits, you can use pros. Same way, disadvantages, you can use demerits, ill effects, shortcomings. And number 5, lack. Lack for dearth, scarcity and shortages. So these are the very important and useful vocabulary. And today this video I am covering only 5. In the next video you will be studying about many more vocabularies. So once again I thank you, all of you, for watching this video and use in your life to write effective writing essays or anything. So thank you very much for watching this video.